So I will be gonna be denied because of my husband not doing it. Bye-bye. Going back to the Philippines and you will follow me.
Good morning, Philippines!
Bored guys, boring. Maaga pa guys, maagang magandang aga sa inyong lahat dyan. Yung asawa ko is naghiga-higa kasi hindi maganda yung pakiramdam. Nag-defrost ako through this na itong na-defrost ko. So ang gagawin ko, i-cut ko siya ng 3 bisis and i-ano ko siya, i-boil and then season later para mag-soak siya. So yun yung gagawin natin. Ibubuhay lang natin siya. Dimples, it's still early for your food. Ay, luto lang tayo ng luto. And plano sana namin magpunta sa isang bahay pero itong isa parang ayaw. Marami silang mga iniisip na gawin para sa isang bahay pero itong asawa ko talaga, bahala sila. Wala akong paki na. Wala akong paki dyan. And yun, ilagay natin siya dito, i-boil. Pabayaan lang natin siya hanggang mag-tender talaga siya. Hindi natin palaging i-mix kasi matatanggal yung meat niya kapag sobrang tender and then palagi mo siyang mini-mix. So, yun pa rin yung counter ko. Madaming laptop. So, nanonood na naman kami ng news. Ay, frozen mo talaga siya, guys. May cellophane pa siya, oh. So, gasa natin ito and then magsa tayo ng maraming garlic. Hindi marami. Yung garlic. Ang lagyan natin ng tubig. And ano ba yung ilagay ko? Bay leaves, guys.
Will you cut it?
The bay leaves.
Bay leaves?
So, nilagyan ko na siya ng bay leaves, guys. And ito na naman paminta. My husband is keep looking at me. Like I'm a weird person.
What, Nymphs? It's not
He's
time for
hungry,
you.
honey.
I know, it's only 11.
So, sanay naman tayo sa bahay, pero kapag alam natin na lockdown talaga, iba talaga yung ramdaman. Iba. Okay, honey, can put this back. Thank you. Itong garlic, i-ano ko lang siya ganon. Parang pigsain lang, ilagay dyan, ganon. Marami, guys, para masarap. Hey, little boy, again? That's Hubs in behind you.
Oh, yeah. Forget it, kids. Forget it.
They don't eat their dinner?
They finished all of it.
They did? So now, lagyan natin siya ng salt kasi maraming tubig para lasa sa pork. Yun. Because there's water, you have to put generous. And just let it be. Right here, guys. Ito siya. Yun lang. Pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. And hindi ko na siya lagyan ng toyo kasi asin na lang. Kasi yung toyo, iba siya eh. Pag binuboil mo, iba yung amoy. So, mabuti ng ganito para maganda yung amoy.
such a squitch. We only need years. Such a squitch that mama. Can't say right, I left just now. What a pain that mama is. What a pain. Come here, that mama wants me. Come here.
These hospitals, we need to have people to man these hospitals, like the Javits Center, which is going to have 3,000 beds. We can't go into the city hospitals in New York and pull people out of there that are on the front
She moved her head.
I'm gonna go jumping down the belt with you soon.
And the military is going to provide a very dramatic help to these cities.
We are thankful to all those men and women who are on the front lines, the medical personnel, our military.
I love you very much. I love you very much. Very quiet in this house, so I have to annoy somebody.
Come here, Rod.
Help me, sister. Help me. Help me.
It should just mean, well, ways to do them. Right now, professional team thoughtfully selects caregivers.
I'm getting even for Roxy.
Personal care.
She's a blow mama's ear, make her annoying.
So ngayon guys, pabayaan ko lang siyang mag-boil na ganon. Ganon. I-marinate ko yan mamaya. Pero bago niyan, mag-ano lang ako, mag-map. Kasi ayaw kong i-on si Inday Garotay kasi may wire dito na ginawa ni Tami. Are you okay? I'm just going to map the floor to get the hair. And that's it. Inday Garotay cannot run today because my wire. Look at that little man all the time. Oh, look at that.
I know.
No, don't do it. So dito nilagay yung mga damit na hindi pwedeng ano ko lang ito guys, i-transfer sa closet. Yan, para ma-empty na yan. Subutin na lang dinala niya kasi ano daw, lalagyan ng mga damit kapag hindi pwede ilagay sa lock. Nag-on na siya. It's working na, Han? Actually, di ba kapag may bahay ka, and then yung wife yung mag-on sa malaking closet. Pero hindi ako, binigay ko kay Tami. Meron akong gamit doon konti. Si asawa mo may-ari ng closet kasi siya yung pinakamaraming gamit. I mean, maraming mga damit, mga jeans mostly at saka shirt. Marami talaga. Nagbukal-bukal man ito eh. So, luto na siya. I mean, kanina pa ito nag-boil talaga. Can we watch a martial art tonight, Han? Very tender na siya, guys. Look. I-season ko lang ito siya. Sobrang tender niya as in. Ito yung dinner namin. So, ito siya, guys. Pork seasoning. Hindi lang marami, guys, ha. Masarap at tasty talaga siya. Ayun. Ikaw na lang mag-distribute, guys. So, ito, guys. Lagyan natin siya ng buffalo sauce. Mamaya ko pa man ito lutuin, guys. Ibibake ko lang ito for 400 degree. I don't know if my husband can handle spice, but
Yeah, right.
this is
Guys, go back on one of our old blogs and look at the contest.
no.
She's like, oh, what?
Yeah, but you are crying, Heidi.
Yeah, okay. You were dying for water. Oh, I got water. Oh, you kept telling me that water. I don't know.
Yes, it's gonna be really spicy. Sobrang tender na ililive ko lang siya dito ng matagal para yung lasa niya is manuot suhot. Yun, manuot suhot, manuot suhot. Manuot, muntik na akong ma-heart attack, guys. Kalokat. Itong USCIS, nagpadala ng ano, sabi pa. Nagpadala daw sila ng liter. Ha? Nagpadala daw sila ng liter. Hindi ko nabasa yung, wala akong natanggap na sulat. So, sinindan ako ng email. So, pagkatapos niyan, sabi pa, ang nabasa ko dahil taranta na ako, sabi, receive it, days, daw, kapag hindi daw ako mag-reply, may nire-request sila na or denied na requirements. At saka kung di ko daw mapasa, ma-deny daw ako. So, hindi ko ma-renew yung 10 year na green card ko. Sus, ako, guys. Naliligo si Tami, tinawagan ko. What?
What?
Why you see that? This is not a joke. So, we need to copy all this?
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. So, only 5 limit dito. They said, this is a marriage contract, this is a divorce, this is, no, not my birth certificate, no?
No, you don't need a birth certificate.
Okay, and the Google.
Okay.
Can I do the bank too?
Let me see if the Google letter may actually say the bank. Because it's being deposited.
Sabi pa, guys, kapag hindi daw ako kung hindi ko daw mapasa agad-agad, daw,
I mean,
ma-deny.
this should be okay. I mean,
Why?
you could use
I'm just gonna add anyway. Look, this marriage contract and divorce, and then this, add the bank, right? Oh, the credit card, hon.
You don't need a credit card.
Huh?
You don't need a credit card.
Why?
Because it's showing you're doing business as you. You got a 1099 and you.
Well, if I denied, honey, if they deny me now,
Your mama.
bye-bye.
Can't no nuts. Your mama can't no nuts.
You know what?
Canada does.
Bye-bye, Tommy. Bye-bye. That's it.
Nutty.
Nadi my ass. Little Roxy is like, what Dada doing? So I will be gonna be denied because of my husband not doing it.
Because of your husband.
Han, they sent me that letter. It's at a mail,
Yeah.
but I don't see it in the mailbox, and that's why they sent me that letter because.
Well, I didn't see it as delivered to them now. You get the mail here every day. I'm ready.
And then once they received this letter, they said, "Han, I
It's
just."
gonna take another year.
No, they said they will start process. You only have one opportunity to respond to our notice. You can respond with no more than 5 documents.
Right.
Once we receive your response, we will resume processing. Blah blah blah. If
They
you
resume
fail-
processing. They've been processing for a year, so they're gonna start again.
So, guys, I was so nervous. Oh my God, deny. Bye bye. Going back to the Philippines, and you will follow me. That means you live over there with me, because if you don't wanna live, then we file separation attack.
Get your butt down.
And then I'm going back to the Philippines,
You're not going back to them.
and it's gonna be so hurt.
You're not going back to
Are you gonna fight for it, hon? If
Yes,
ever?
hon, you're not going back to
How
the
you can
Philippines.
fight for it?
I don't know, but you can fight with them. If they deny you for no legitimate reason. Okay, we need the scan, don't we? That's up to you.
Okay.
You need to get the scan.
You think, hon? You think that's it, hon? Natagalan kami sa pagpadala ng mga hinihingi nila kasi kulang sa mga papel. May hinahanap kami. And ngayon na lang, kakainin ko muna to sila and then ipadala na namin yun. May hinihintay lang ako sa isa. So, yun na siya, guys. Yung Yung ribs. Diyan na siya. How is it?
Not what you expect.
There's no spice, hon. Walang anghang. It's not spicy at all.
So put some sauce outside and dip it. Cal, sleep with one eye open. All right. Well, I appreciate the info. I just wanted.
It's time to watch a movie. Movie time! Look at my baby. And everybody's lying down here. And I cannot even go lie down over there because to be with my husband because the kids are there. So, guys, manonood lang. Let's see kung ano yung mga movie na dito. Ang mga karati-karati daw itong titignan namin. And maghiga-higa na lang ako dito. And then, dito na naman ito. And then, look. Bumalik si Misty. Inayos lang ni Tami yung projector, guys. And it start na.
Oh, we got 4 switches.
4 scotches. Okay. Karate, guys. Karate, ano. Si Tami nakahiga. Hi, guys. I-end ko na tong video, guys. Katatapos lang talaga ng movie. So, I'm going to end the vlog. We're gonna end the vlog. Yay, he's right here texting. Night, good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night. Yeah, he was... while me, I just keep laughing. I just keep laughing and he's... Anyway, guys, good night. Good night.